Have you ever looked at the stars and wondered what's out there? Or maybe you've seen a tiny ant carrying a leaf many times its size and thought, wow, how does it do that? The world is full of amazing things, just waiting to be discovered. Science is like a key that unlocks the secrets of the universe. It helps us understand how things work, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. And the best part is, anyone can be a scientist. All you need is curiosity and a thirst for adventure. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey of discovery? Buckle up, because we're about to hop on board the Magic School Bus, where learning is always an adventure. Get ready to explore the world around us in a whole new way with Ms. Ms. Frizzle is no ordinary teacher. She's a whirlwind of energy and creativity, always ready to turn the mundane into the magical. With her bright red hair, wacky dresses, and a knack for turning ordinary field trips into extraordinary adventures, she brings a unique flair to education that captivates her students. She makes learning a blast. Every day in her class is a new opportunity to explore, discover, and have fun while learning. Her students are just as unique and always up for a challenge. They come from different backgrounds and have different interests, but they all share a love for adventure and learning. There's Arnold, the cautious one who'd rather stay in the classroom but always ends up having the time of his life. Despite his initial hesitations, he often finds himself at the heart of the most exciting escapades.
Oh, I don't know about this, but I guess it always turns out to be fun. Arnold's cautious nature often provides a grounding perspective, but he never fails to join in the excitement. But I guess it always turns out to be fun. His friends' enthusiasm is contagious, and soon enough, Arnold is laughing and learning alongside them.
Then there's Dorothy Ann, the bookworm who knows a ton of facts and loves to share them. Her vast knowledge often comes in handy during their adventures, providing crucial information at just the right moment. And let's not forget Carlos, the class clown who loves to tell jokes, even if they are a bit corny. His humor keeps the mood light and the spirits high, no matter how challenging the situation.
Why did the Scarecrow become a successful scientist? Carlos's jokes are a staple in the classroom, always ready to bring a smile to everyone's face, because he was outstanding in his field. His puns might be groan-worthy, but they never fail to lighten the mood.
Together, Ms. Frizzle and her students explore the world in the most unconventional and exciting ways imaginable. Their classroom is a launch pad for incredible journeys that take them far beyond the school walls. From shrinking down to the size of atoms to explore the microscopic world, where they can see the building blocks of life up close, to traveling through time, visiting ancient civilizations, and witnessing the future. There's no limit to their adventures. Each trip is meticulously planned by Ms. Frizzle to ensure it's both educational and exhilarating. So, are you ready to meet the rest of the class and join them on their next big adventure? There's always something new to learn and discover, and with Ms. Frizzle at the helm, you can be sure it will be an unforgettable experience. Hold on tight, because things are about to get wild. Whether it's a roller coaster ride through the human body or a journey to the stars, every day with Ms. Frizzle is a thrilling adventure waiting to happen. One day, Ms. Frizzle announced, "Class, today we're going on a field trip to outer space." The students gasped in excitement as the Magic School Bus transformed into a rocket ship, ready to blast off. They soared past the moon, marveling at its craters and learning about its phases. They zoomed past Mars, the red planet, and learned about its volcanoes and canyons. They even got to see Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a giant storm bigger than Earth.
Wow, I can't believe we're actually seeing Jupiter's Great Red Spot up close.
Through Ms. Frizzle's incredible lessons, the students learned that space is not just an empty void, but a vast and fascinating place filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. They discovered that our solar system is just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy, and the universe is constantly expanding. As they returned to Earth, the students couldn't wait to share their out-of-this-world experience with everyone. They learned that space exploration is not just for astronauts, but for anyone curious enough to look up at the stars and wonder.
Section 4, Exploring Our Own Backyard, Earth's Amazing Ecosystems.
The next day, Ms. Frizzle surprised her students with another exciting announcement. She had a twinkle in her eye and a mysterious smile on her face, which always meant something extraordinary was about to happen.
Today, we're going on a safari, right here on Earth. But this isn't just any safari. We're going to explore some of the most incredible and diverse ecosystems our planet has to offer.
The Magic School Bus transformed into a Jeep, equipped with all the tools and gadgets they would need for their journey. The students were buzzing with excitement as they climbed aboard, ready for the adventure of a lifetime. They were about to embark on a journey that would take them through the diverse ecosystems of our planet, each with its own unique flora and fauna. First, they ventured into a lush rainforest, a place teeming with life and vibrant colors. The air was thick with humidity, and the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves filled their ears. They encountered colorful parrots with their brilliant plumage, playful monkeys swinging from tree to tree, and even a slithering snake that made some of the students jump back in surprise. The snake, though initially frightening, was a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that rainforests support. They learned about the importance of rainforests as homes to countless plant and animal species. These ecosystems are not just beautiful, they are vital to the health of our planet. Rainforests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are often referred to as the lungs of the Earth.
Next, they journeyed to the African savanna, a vast expanse of grassland dotted with acacia trees. The savanna is a land of extremes, where the dry season and the wet season bring dramatic changes to the landscape. They witnessed a pride of lions lounging in the sun, their golden coats blending perfectly with the tall grasses. The lions, with their majestic manes and powerful presence, were a sight to behold. A herd of zebras grazed on the grasslands, their black and white stripes creating a mesmerizing pattern as they moved together in unison. Nearby, a group of elephants splashed in a watering hole, their trunks playfully spraying water over their backs. The students watched in awe as these gentle giants interacted with each other. They learned about the delicate balance of life in the savanna, where each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem. Predators and prey, plants and herbivores all depend on each other for survival. The concept of symbiosis, where different species live in close association and benefit from each other, was brought to life before their eyes. The students began to understand the intricate web of life that connects all living things.
Finally, they dove into the depths of the ocean, a world that is as mysterious as it is beautiful. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface and is home to an astonishing array of life forms. They encountered schools of colorful fish darting through the coral reefs, graceful sea turtles gliding effortlessly through the water, and even a giant squid lurking in the deep. The giant squid, with its long tentacles and large eyes, was a reminder of the many mysteries that still lie beneath the ocean's surface. They learned about the importance of coral reefs as underwater cities teeming with life. These reefs provide shelter and food for countless marine species and are vital to the health of the ocean. However, they also learned about the threats facing these delicate ecosystems. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are causing significant damage to coral reefs, putting the entire marine ecosystem at risk.
Through their adventures, the students realized that Earth is home to an incredible diversity of life. Each ecosystem, whether it be a rainforest, savanna, or ocean, is unique and precious. They understood that it's our responsibility to protect and preserve these ecosystems for future generations. Conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and a commitment to reducing our impact on the environment are essential to ensuring that the beauty and diversity of our planet endure.
Section 5, The Incredible Human Body, a Journey from Head to Toe.
One day, Ms. Frizzle decided to take her students on a journey through the most fascinating machine of all, the human body. The students were buzzing with excitement as they boarded the magic school bus, not knowing the incredible adventure that awaited them. The magic school bus shrunk down to the size of a cell, ready to explore the inner workings of this amazing system. The students marveled at how everything looked so different from this tiny perspective. They traveled through the bloodstream, learning about red blood cells carrying oxygen. The students were fascinated by how these cells moved so efficiently, delivering oxygen to every part of the body, and white blood cells fighting off infections. They watched in awe as the white blood cells attacked and destroyed harmful germs, protecting the body from illness.
They visited the heart, a powerful pump that circulates blood throughout the body. The students could hear the rhythmic beating and see how the heart's chambers work together to keep the blood flowing. And the lungs, where oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released. They learned about the process of breathing and how the lungs expand and contract with each breath.
They even got to see the brain, the control center of the body, responsible for everything from thoughts and emotions to movement and coordination. The students were amazed by the complexity of the brain and how it controls every aspect of our lives. They learned about the different parts of the brain and how they work together to make us who we are. They discovered how the brain sends signals through the nervous system to control our actions and reactions.
As they returned to their normal size, the students were amazed by the complexity and efficiency of the human body. They couldn't believe how much they had learned in such a short time. They realized that even though we may look different on the outside, we all share the same incredible machine on the inside. This journey through the human body taught them to appreciate the amazing systems that keep us alive and healthy. They left the classroom with a newfound respect for their own bodies and a curiosity to learn even more about the wonders of human anatomy.
Section 6. The Never-Ending Journey of Learning. As the school year came to an end, Ms. Frizzle reminded her students that learning doesn't stop at the classroom door. "The world is your classroom," she said, "and every day is a new opportunity to discover something amazing." She encouraged them to stay curious, ask questions, and never stop exploring. Whether it's reading a book, conducting a science experiment, or simply observing the world around them, there's always something new to learn. The students realized that learning isn't just about memorizing facts, but about understanding the world around us and our place in it. It's about asking questions, seeking answers, and never losing our sense of wonder. So, the next time you're curious about something, don't be afraid to ask questions, explore, and discover. Just like Ms. Frizzle and her students, you too can embark on a lifelong adventure of learning and exploration. Remember, the world is full of wonders, just waiting to be discovered.